Yeah. So what I like to do when we're mowing is, I would say mowing, mulching, grinding, however you want to say it, is a lot of times if I get some bigger sized trees that are harder to grind, I go up high on the tree, chop the top off, and then I grind the trunk and down to the stump all the way, making a grind up that whole heavy section of trunk on the tree. So that's kind of why you'll see in the video that I go up high and then I come down low on the tree, going all the way to the ground. Then as you back drag that portion of it, chips them up a little smaller, even, and it mulches up the ground so that some of those chips get in the ground, the nutrients for compost and all that stuff. So. But also, we like to grind into these trees. We like to, when we grind, we want to shoot all our stuff towards the middle so we contain all the chips in the grind. We don't want to scatter them all over the field here. So work your way to the center, keeping your machine pointed into the middle helps out. All right, let's grind some trees. Let's tear down some stuff. So that's a quick way to get this project done. We're all wrapped up here. This homeowner's got all his trees down. It's a low impact way to do it, and we're happy to serve those guys and get this thing done on a timely manner, quick, efficient, and a great end result for this guy. But that's all I have for you today. It's my quick little snippet of Blue Collar Day, and I'm Matt. My buddy Brandon, Jeff, and Derek, and Eric will be sending videos shortly. Have a good day. Talk to you later.